What up, tech heads? Thanks for tuning in to Techies N Teslas. On today's unboxing, we're going to be taking a look at DJI's Osmo Pocket 4K handheld gimbal camera and video. We're also going to be taking a look at their accessory that they highly recommend, which is the Osmo Pocket extension rod. Now, I bought both of these products during Black Friday and got one heck of a deal. With DJI's Black Friday pricing, I actually got the rod for free, and I got, I think it was about $100 off of the Pocket. So I'm going to be having these links down below in the description for you after. If you'd like to also purchase these, you can buy them on Amazon Canada or Amazon USA. So let's jump right in and get into the unboxing of DJI's cool new Pocket gimbal. So with DJI, as always, they are always on the curve of video. I find I've got a couple of their drones as well that I own, and I find their camera quality and just the gimbals in general just really amazing. And they've always just been a great company when it comes to their video and whatnot. So huge fan of DJI, to say the least. As you can see, this is a very little product, even boxed, it's quite small. We'll just put the extension rod over to the side for now. We're ready for that. We have, that must be obviously the DJI and the case. And of course we get all of our manuals, quick start guide, disclaimer, safety guidelines. Another little box on the inside, little tab that we can just pull on to get this out. That's it for in here, nothing else. So like here we have a handheld tether that we can use, as well as a USB-C cable, obviously for charging it, I'm going to assume. And then we have a couple little nibs or adapters in here. Looks like it comes with a USB-C adapter, so if you have an Android phone, obviously this would be an adapter that you want to use. But I do find that DJI is more geared towards Apple in all their advertising and whatnot. You always see Apple, so it does also come with your Apple adapter as well, which is your Thunderbolt. Cables, and now for the actual gimbal. This is definitely light, but packed with features. So this is the smallest 3-axis stabilized handheld that DJI has ever designed. It comes in at only 116 grams weight. Wow, that is sleek. So it looks like obviously for travel, just to protect the gimbal, they have a little tab you would just pull out here, and that allows the gimbal to go free. Wow, if you can see the size of this, this is just absolutely amazing. This is, wow. Nice handheld size for sure. Obviously we have a little tiny LCD screen on here. Now the height of this is only 121 millimeters high, and it's about 37 millimeters by 29 millimeters wide. This does shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, and it has a battery life of approximately 140 minutes, which is pretty decent for any kind of videos that you would be shooting. When you are taking photos with it, it does have a 12 megapixel camera on the front of the gimbal. It's going to take the film off right here. Let's get that off of there. So as always with DJI products, if any of you are familiar with them, they'll usually have, it'll combine their DJI application for your phones, which is DJI Mimo, M-I-M-O. Once you download that, it gives these a lot more versatility, but this does have built-in active track, as well as you can do motion lapse. It has night shot, panorama. It's a lot of really neat features that you can do with this. And then of course you have story mode if you're using the DJI Mimo app. But we're gonna quickly check this out. Just gonna see all of this amazing stuff here. So to power it on, we're gonna press this little button. Okay, and we can obviously right off the bat select our language. We definitely want English. I can already see, using the little video thing, I can see here what exactly it's doing. Now, if you're also familiar with any of the other DJI products, gimbal specifically, such as their Mobile 3, which is their one for like an iPhone or Android phone, this is going to incorporate a lot of the same button functions. So for instance, if you double tap or single tap, it's going to adjust the gimbal to be selfie mode, or if you tap once, it'll automatically go into tracking mode. So it does have some really cool features. Now, of course, we do have to activate it before we can use any of these features, and we will do that shortly here. But for now, we'll just kind of put this off to the side as we unbox the next one, which is the Osmo Pocket extension rod. Now, I don't know much about the extension rod, and obviously this video is going to be more of an unboxing initial impression of these. I will definitely be doing a review video later on of these products, so at least you'll be able to check out and kind of see exactly what else we are thinking about them, and once we know how to actually use them, we'll make a much better review video. For now, strictly unboxing. Of course, we have our guides that I usually don't even look at most of the time, just kind of put those things off to the side. Interesting. All right. So again, I don't really know much about the extension rod except for the fact that it is an accessory that you can connect to the DJI Osmo Pocket, and it does allow a much more versatile way to take videos, pictures, making it a little more convenient. So we will definitely have a better video for this and to review this. But for now, that is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4K 3-axis gimbal and the DJI Pocket extension rod. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of our videos. If you found us helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. Even if you didn't like it, hit the like button. It's Christmas. Thank you. And again, from Techies and Teslas, we really appreciate having you here.